Got some crushed up cat food here. Just regular cat food. Put in a bag. Crushed it up so the ducks, little babies, can get it. He's so cute.